Okay, we're on page 358. Section 7.1, Math 4, April 6th, 2020. And they start with the reciprocal identities. We're going to memorize the reciprocal identities. Then we're going to go to the quotient identities. Then we're going to go to the Pythagorean identities. Now it's not important to memorize these. It's more important to understand where they come from and what they are. Now the Pythagorean identities are the real important ones, and you use these other ones to get these. Now we start with the reciprocal identities. Of course, you know the sine of x, the cosine of x, and the tangent of x. And the sine equals 1 over the cosecant. The cosine is 1 over the secant. And the tangent is 1 over the cotangent of x. And just the reciprocals. So then you have the cosecant of x is 1 over the sine of x. The secant of x is 1 over the cosine of x. And the cotangent of x equals 1 over the tangent of x. We've graphed these. We've memorized these 6. We've been working on them. We should really understand them. These are called the reciprocal identities. And of course, the reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. The reciprocal of sine is 1 over the cosecant. We kind of remember opposite reciprocal with slope, but just talk about reciprocal. Okay.